Hello students, we are going to learn General Science for class 2 from the book Science Square. Today we are going to learn chapter 13 Rocks and Minerals. In this chapter we shall discuss about the rocks and its types. We are going to learn about minerals also. Let us begin the chapter. The earth on which we live is made up of rocks. There is rock under the soil. The hills, mountains and valleys are made up of rocks. You can see wherever you go, you can see the soil. Below the soil is a rock. Wherever you go means on the earth is hills, mountains and valleys. Wherever you go, you can see rocks. Rocks are found under the rivers and also on the seas. Rocks are found almost everywhere. Let us discuss about different types of rocks. There are different types of rocks. They differ in size, shape, hardness and color. Some are of mixed colors. You can see different colors in the rocks. Some are layered. The layered rocks you can see near the beaches and seashores. Some are glassy. Shiny rocks also can be seen. Some rocks like granite are very hard. Granite we can see in our houses. Diamond is the hardest rock. So, different rocks differ in size, differ in shape, differ in hardness, differ in colors. Okay. Some may be layered, some may be glassy. Diamond is the hardest rock. Granite and marble is used for making buildings. You can see buildings made up of granites and marbles. The flooring and all you can see. And statues. We can see statues made up of granite and marble. Diamond is used in jewelries. It is used for cutting glasses because it is very sharp and hard. Taj Mahal at Agra is made up of white marble. Chalk is a soft limestone which is used for writing on blackboards. You know chalk? It is nothing but soft limestone. Sandstone is also a type of soft rock. Red Fort at Delhi and Agra are made from red sandstone. Red sandstone is also a soft rock. You can see Red Fort at Delhi and Agra. Both are from red sandstone. Slate is a dark brown rock. It has hard and smooth layers. It is made for making roof and floor tiles. When you rub two stones together, flint is formed for making fire. A hard black coal is used as fuel for burning in factories, steam engines and kitchen. Graphite is a soft black rock. It is found in the lead of the pencil. The tip of the pencil is a graphite. It is a soft black rock. China clay is a soft and white rock. It is used for making pottery and is also used for making fine paper. Pumice stone is a type of rock which is so light that it floats on the water. It floats on the water because it has got lot of holes in it. It is called pumice stone. So graphite, lead of the pencil, china clay, potteries and pine paper, pumice stone float on the water. Next is a soil. When the rocks break, it slowly forms stones, pebbles, gravel, sand and clay. Is it not? So when you break the rock, you will get stones, pebbles, gravel, sand and clay. Sand and clay along with humus form soil. So what is that humus now? Humus is nothing but dead and decayed leaves, plants and animals. This is called humus. Humus combines with sand and clay to form soil. Soil also contains pebbles and gravel. Plants need soil to grow. The soil contains sand, clay, pebbles, gravel. Okay. Humus is nothing but dead and decayed leaves, plants and animals. Let us learn about minerals. All rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals are different sizes, shapes and colors. Some minerals are silica, quartz, talc and china clay. Repeating again, silica, quartz, talc and china clay. Silica is used for making glass. Mostly these glasses are non-breakable. Quartz. In watches you can see the hands. Those are made up of quartz. Talc. You can see in the talcum powder. China clay. You already learned that it is used for making potteries. So the minerals are silica for making glass, quartz in watches, talc in talcum powder, china clay for making potteries. Okay. Let us have a chapter recap. Rocks differ in size, shape, hardness and color. Diamond is the hardest rock. Rocks are useful to us. Rocks break up and turn into clay. Clay with humus forms soil. Rocks contain soils and minerals. This ends the chapter 13.